So yeah, just a word to the wise here. If someone tells you they need to replace the alternator on their 2008 Kia Rondo, and you're like, oh hey, I can do that for you, don't do that. Don't do that, because you got to go down here to remove a piece of firewall to even get to the alternator. And then that bolt, that bottom bolt for the alternator, sits flush against the frame. How the hell am I supposed to get that out of there? We literally have the engine mounts out and have the motor sagging as much as we can. And now I'm about to get to that other motor mount down there and get it to sag more. Look at that. It's like a ½ inch of clearance. I can't get it out. Get this stupid alternator out. Dumb idiot. So yeah, don't be me. Don't do this. And here's the worst part. Here's the new stupid alternator. I couldn't even get a new one. It's a repro. It's a repro. Ugh. And even then, I had to get the radiator hose out of the way. And I don't got a whole lot of room to get that alternator out. Thought I would have to remove the cooling, the reservoir tank. I don't. But this is a nightmare. This is how I love to spend. What is it, Tuesday? Where is it? That's it right there. I think this 14mm might do the job. I don't know. I'll come back when I figure it out. You know, people are always, hold on. People are always talking about enshittification and how it's happening now. I think they had it figured out in 2008. Because how is it that if I put an adapter on this, it's precisely the right length to bump into the oil filter and not allow me to get this dead onto the bolt? Everyone thinks enshittification is like a current procedure. It's been the norm. This nice person is not coming out. Oh God, if the motor falls on me, just make it quick. Yeah, I can't. Oh, this sucks so bad. All right, I'm employing a strategy. Oh yeah. Let's see what I can do here. Oh shit. Penetrate. See if that works. Update. Gotten nowhere. It's, I mean, look how close this is to coming out. Look how close this is to coming out, and I can't get it to come out.
Talking to yourself, you know?
So I don't know what to do. We're talking like an eighth of clearance here. I'm probably gonna about to do something stupid, like shave some of the frame off or cut the bolt or something, and then just create a whole new set of problems. Because that motor mount, we got like a little bit more purchase out of it, but the motor's sagging as much as it can. It's already on the frame. So I don't know what the hell we're gonna do. You know it's getting bad when the OG tells me to step aside. I don't know what the hell we're gonna do. So finally, after loosening half the motor mounts and just kind of smacking the motor around a little bit, we managed to get the bolt out. Now we got to extricate the whole damn alternator. So we're gonna see how that goes. Probably not well. The old piece of shit alternator's out. Now we gotta get the new one in. Alright, well, it took a bit of goofiness, but motor mounts reattached. New alternators in. Now we're just missing a bunch of bolts. I think we're missing one bolt. So, yay! That's exciting. Yeah, we're missing a bolt for this right here. We've got, but none of them are the one we're looking for. Yeah, well, it's all done. New alternators in. Car starts right up. So yeah, just again, if someone asks you to work on their Kia, just say no. Tell them to take it to the dealership or to a mechanic. Don't do it yourself.